Hello everyone, welcome back to How To. Today we're diving into something important, the best foods to eat before drinking alcohol. Whether you're heading out for a night with friends or enjoying a few drinks at home, these 10 foods will help you feel your best and stay balanced. Let's jump right in. Complex carbohydrates. Foods like whole grains, rice, and pasta are excellent choices. They help slow down alcohol absorption, keeping your blood sugar levels stable. Lean protein. Opt for lean protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, or beans. Protein-rich foods help slow down alcohol absorption and keep you feeling full longer. Healthy fats. Foods high in healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil, can help slow down alcohol absorption and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens. Incorporate leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula into your meal. They're packed with nutrients and can help support liver function. Fresh fruits. Enjoy fresh fruits like berries, apples, and citrus fruits. They're hydrating and provide essential vitamins and minerals to support your body. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great source of probiotics and protein. It can help support digestion and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Whole eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients like choline. Enjoy them scrambled, poached, or as part of a nutritious breakfast. Whole grain toast. Whole grain toast is a great source of fiber and can help slow down alcohol absorption. Top it with avocado or nut butter for extra nutrients. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein and a great source of fiber. It's easy to digest and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Hydrating foods. Foods with high water content, like cucumbers, watermelon, and celery, can help keep you hydrated before drinking alcohol. And there you have it, 10 of the best foods to eat before drinking alcohol. Incorporating these nutrient-rich options into your pre-drinking meal can help support your body and keep you feeling your best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a balanced lifestyle. Until next time, cheers!